Hello, welcome back to my tutorial. My name is Lucky, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about password validation. Password validation. Let's just write that nicely. Password validation. Right. I'm going to be teaching you about loops. Well, a while loops, what is a while loops, Lucky? A while loops is a statement that keep up executing up until a condition is true, or when a condition is true, it keep on executing itself. So instead of writing an if statement whereby if the person enter a password, for example, you tell the person incorrect password, you write another if statement to check if the person enters the correct password, you write again. So no, that is kind of gonna take a whole lot of time and a whole lot of coding. You do mess up your coding. So we wanna use a while loop, and a while loops allows us to continue executing a piece of code in as much that a condition is true. So let's go in, and then this is the question we're given. They say the title of the program is password validation, and they say that a web system network just find out that someone is using their website without logging in. Web system network has hired you to design a program that allow a user to enter a password, and if the password is not in the database, we want the person to continue typing their password. If the password does not match, web system network want to display a message to the user telling him or her that the password is incorrect. So how can we achieve this using a while loop? Well, let me first for this purpose, please don't forget the purpose of this tutorial is we'll be dealing with while loops, while loop, right? So let's just get started, and then let's solve the question. How then do we go about it? Let's declare a variable that will hold the password that is entered by the user. So let's say string password entered, right, and then we terminate it. And then let's say let's have the string that will contain the password, that a variable that will contain the web system network. So let's assume that the web system, this is their password you used in order for you to log into their website. So string WSN, which is web system network, data. Let's say their password is equal to website. Let's just say web system, web system. I can't type right now. Web system network. Yeah, this is their password, and so they want to check if this person want to log into their website, they must use this password. If they enter a password which is incorrect, which does not match this that is in their database, we want to display an error message. So let's use while loop for that. While password, what the person enter, why password, is it password or password or password or password? All right, why password is not equal. All right, please take note of this. This is not equal sign. If you wanna check if the person, if you wanna validate if it is not equal to something, something is not equal to something, you use this. Is it exclamation or what is that again? This thing that is pointing down, I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, please leave a comment below. I really don't know what this thing is called. And then you use it with this equal operator together to check if something is not equal to something. So if password entered, sorry about that, if what the person entered, the password that the person entered is not equal to WSN variable, then we're going to say, I don't know, I like putting it this way, but you can choose to put it this way. We want to say what do we do? Let's just display an error message, see out that the password, let's just do it like that, the password you entered is incorrect. Incorrect, right? And then let's just end that line as well. No, NK, end line, right? And then terminate. Oh baby mama, we just built a program. So let's run it and see what we got. Let's just save it as what do we save it? Password validation. I like saving my stuff to be descriptive enough for their purposes. So password validation, right? And then let's just hit enter and wait for it. Oh, you say there is an error right here. Okay, first of all, I told you in the other videos that you must always terminate. As you can see, we did not terminate with that is it actually what kind of, trying to forget their names, but you must always terminate with this termination sign in C++. That is what we use, and that is going to give us another error. Let's see what the error will be. I hope it doesn't. All right. Oh man, this is wrong. Look at that, my computer just will crash just now. It just continue display, you enter incorrect, the password you enter is incorrect. Continue doing it. This is wrong. We just made a wrong statement, a wrong instruction. So we're gonna first of all allow the person to enter a password, and then we're going to check it like this. We're going to say please enter, please see out, see out, please enter a password, and then we just end that line, and then we just say we just store the password into password entered, password entered, and then let's just see. So it's going to check. Let's just run it, and then you see what will happen. Let me just bring it closer. Please enter password, let's say lucky. It continued displaying this arrow, it continued displaying. As you can see, my distance is just moving by itself. It said no, wrong password, wrong password, wrong password, wrong password. So what this thing does right here is that it check. You see those, maybe you log into Facebook, you want to log into Facebook, and then you just type in incorrect password, you just say the password is wrong, type again. This is what they use. The password you enter when you are registering it is web system network, and then you enter another incorrect password when you are logging in, it's going to continue telling you to display telling you that you entered the wrong password up until it matches. So let's say if it matches, what we're going to do, let's say see out let's just say, okay, let's just leave it because I don't like taking time, because it's gonna take time if we're to work through this. But please, this is the use of while loop. Continue telling you to enter. I normally use it when I want to work with password. So it continue looping, telling you to enter the right password, the right password. What is this doing on my screen right now? All right, okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. I just love you guys. Hit a comment box if there's another way that you think we can do this, and then if there's a suggestion, and if there is more, anyway, there's more coming, please hit the subscribe button, because I will be dealing with some question and then we'll be solving it all together. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and I will see you next time.